wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Oh, hi, Olivia. I was just about to call you. I was wondering where you are.
Oh!
The kids are waiting for us.
Oh!
Hi, kids.
Hi, kids.
From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again. We're doing some science today.
Are we doing science?
Yeah, and I have a question for you.
Oh, what's the question?
Well, I'm already working on all of this right here.
Yeah,
So,
it looks very busy.
this is my phone. And this here is a balloon, right?
Right.
So what do you think weighs more? My small phone or this big balloon?
The big balloon.
Really?
Yeah, because it's big. It's really big, and it's like your phone's little.
What if I tell you that's not correct?
Prove it.
I will. I
Okay.
knew that you were going to ask me. That's why I brought the scale out.
Ooh.
And if you look at the scale right now, how much does it say?
Oh, it says 1.4 ounces.
Correct. And how many grams is that?
34 grams.
Correct. Now,
Okay.
I'm going to take this off. Take the balloon.
Okay.
How much does it say now?
It only says 0.1 ounce.
Exactly. And how much grams is that?
4 grams.
So what weighs more? The balloon?
Whoa. The
Or
cell
my
phone.
Even though the phone is smaller than the balloon.
Yeah.
You know why that is? Do you want to play with the balloon? Do you want the
Yeah.
balloon? Here, I'll grab it for you. There you go.
Thank you. I like balloons.
So, can you explain to me why the phone weighs more than the big balloon? And you see the size. The balloon is way, 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 way,
Yeah,
way
it's
bigger.
way, way bigger. No, I don't know why.
Well, remember the molecule episode we had?
Yeah, molecules dancing around. Yeah.
So, the density of molecules is way, 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 way tighter and thicker in the phone versus the balloon, which is full of air.
So,
And that makes this way more than the balloon.
so because there are more molecules in a smaller space?
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's really cool.
Pretty cool, huh? So, that's why I have a special science project.
Science!
The experiment we're going to do is we have 6 different liquids.
Ooh.
And we're going to see that even though we're using the exact same amount on all of them, they will have a different density, which means they weigh different.
Whoa.
And you'll see that despite the fact that we're putting them all into one jar,
One jar?
they will not mix.
Oh. And they won't mix because...
The one that we're going to put in first is going to weigh more than the last one we're going to put in last.
Wow. Okay. Because
Makes
they have
sense?
different densities. Yes, that makes sense.
Exactly.
Okay.
So, kids, in order for you to do this experiment at home, you'll need 6 liquids.
Yep.
Starting with, let me get it,
Okay.
honey.
Honey.
Then,
Corn syrup.
corn syrup. The third one is, this is a heavy one.
Oh, that's really big. Oh, dish soap. And then
Our smart water.
smart water for
Smart water.
science.
Smart water for the smart kids.
Yep. Smart kids doing science.
And then the 5th liquid is
Ooh.
vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil. Whoa.
And the final liquid is
Is rubbing alcohol.
correct.
Yep.
In order, because we want to be special, right? And we love colors,
Yes.
we will be using some artificial food coloring.
Food coloring!
And we're gonna mix it in and create a rainbow in a jar.
Rainbow. A rainbow in a jar?
A rainbow in a jar.
No, that's amazing. That's such a great idea.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, it really, really is.
So because I can't see you with all of this
Yeah, there's
items
so much
here,
stuff here.
why don't we start to experiment and we create a rainbow in a jar?
Yes, let's do it.
Right, kids?
Yep.
So, you know all the items that you need to get. You probably have most of them at home. If not, you can get any of them in the grocery store. You go get them, and we're going to start setting up the experiment here
Yay.
and get started. We'll be right back.
Yay, rainbow in a jar science.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so kids, to recap, there's 6 liquids that you need. Honey, corn syrup, dish soap, water, vegetable oil, and rubbing alcohol. And in order to do the rainbow colors, I'm going to start off first with honey. Pouring. So we're doing 50. We're doing 50. And then, because the bottom is purple, I'm going to take blue. 1, 2. Let's take red. And hopefully not make a mess. Take 2.
No, do 3. Red's
I
lighter.
can do 3 because red's lighter. Thank you. You're always so good in coloring. And then I'm going to mix it with a popsicle stick.
I'm gonna.
Why don't you start already?
Okay, I'm gonna open my carob syrup or the corns. I'm gonna open my corn syrup because.
Whoa, Olivia, look at this. Doesn't this look cool? This is purple
Oh wow,
honey.
that looks really awesome.
So I'm going to start off and pour it into our jar.
Okay, and when you pour it in the jar, remember you don't want to hit the sides of the jar with it at all, because then it won't. You don't want to hit the sides of the jar at all.
Okay, I'll try my best not to spill.
Okay, and I'm gonna. While he's doing that, I'm gonna pour myself 50 milliliters of corn syrup. And 50. And I'm gonna make the corn syrup blue.
No, blue is my favorite color. Isn't it cool that I'm doing purple, which is your favorite color, and you're doing blue, which is my favorite color?
That's really cool. I like that we can change it up sometimes.
Okay, I think I'm done.
And now I'm gonna stir my corn syrup so that it's really, really mixed together. Ooh!
Wow!
Wow, that's such a pretty blue. It's like a nice, really, really bright blue. I like that. And now I'm gonna pour my blue in so that it doesn't touch the sides, hopefully.
The next one is we're going to do the color green with our third liquid, which is the dish soap.
Yay!
So I'm going to pour in, so I can see, 50 milliliter of dish soap right there. And then I'm going to go pour in some green.
Awesome.
What's your next color, Olivia?
I am going to do orange. So,
Oh, you'll be mixing some colors, aren't you?
yep, I am.
Do you know which ones?
I'm gonna do red and yellow,
Exactly. Red
Yeah.
and yellow mixes orange.
and I'm gonna be putting it in my water. 50 of water, 50 milliliters of water.
So I have green, which I just finished, and I'm gonna pour it into our rainbow jar.
And don't touch the sides again.
Of course.
And I'm gonna do red. 1. And ooh, that one looks good.
Does look good.
And And then I'm going to do yellow, so I'll do 2 drops of yellow. 1, 2, maybe 3. 3. And now I have to stir that up. Yeah, it's very orangey.
You did a nice job there.
Thank you. And now I'm going to pour that into the middle too. And I'm going to pour it a little slow. Hopefully.
So kids, it really looks like we're just putting different types of liquids into a jar and there's no color there. Isn't that what you think? But
Yeah.
Olivia, you're gonna see. Once we have all of the liquids in, and we're gonna look straight into the jar, not from above, you're gonna see our rainbow.
Ooh,
So-
that's going to be awesome.
It is. So the next color that I'm going to be doing is,
Yellow.
and I'm gonna mix that with olive oil, which I can't mix because,
Because it's oil.
and oil doesn't mix with,
Water.
exactly, and water is in artificial coloring, so that's why we pretend that this is yellow
It's kind of yellow.
already.
It's pretty yellow. Yeah.
It's good to take yellow vegetable oil.
And for the vegetable oil, you can do a little extra to make sure there's a like a good, strong,
That we have a
Layer.
good strong yellow. This is a
yeah.
big 50 milliliter.
Yeah, it's a big 50. Into the middle again. And while he does that, I'm going to start mixing my rubbing alcohol. So I'm going to do a little bit on the table. Okay, so I'm going to do 50 again.
Whoa, that's a big yellow.
Oh, that's crazy looking.
See? There's already different changes of color in that one.
Yeah. And I'm going to do,
We don't need yellow anymore, do we?
nope, I'm going to do red. And look, you want to know something cool? Wait, where's
What?
it at? Do you see how the red stays at the bottom of the cup? I
Yeah.
have to stir it in. They're also different densities.
Right.
Because water's further down in the jar than rubbing alcohol. Okay.
And that's why we put in water before oil and rubbing
And
alcohol.
rubbing alcohol. And now this is my red. Alright. This one said I could pour carefully down the side of the jar. So should I try and do that?
Be very careful when you put it in.
Okay, I'll
So
be very
pour it
careful.
in very, very slowly,
I'll
please.
pour it very slow from the side. Like this.
Mm-hmm.
Is it working?
Mm-hmm.
And I got a little on the table. Ooh, slow.
That's too fast. Yeah. Okay, good.
Okay, I make it a little on the table.
It's okay.
Whoa.
Good job, Olivia.
Whew, that was hard.
I think you can already kind of see our rainbow.
Yeah.
So, why don't we readjust our setup
Mm-hmm.
and then we'll show the kids what we've done.
Yes, let's do that.
Whoa, Olivia!
That's awesome.
Doesn't this look amazing?
Yeah, it's really, really cool.
We did a rainbow colored jar out
Yeah.
of different kinds of liquids.
Mm-hmm. Looks really good.
And you see how they don't mix?
Mm-hmm.
That is because of the density of each of the different liquids.
Oh, yeah.
So there's more molecules in honey than there is in rubbing alcohol.
Wow. So rubbing alcohol is the least of these liquids.
Exactly. That's why it's all the way on top. That's the red colored liquid.
And then the yellow is the oil.
Correct.
Wow. This is so cool.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's like when you see a rainbow in the sky outside, but then we get a rainbow in our house.
Yeah, we made it just by all of the different liquids we have.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty amazing, huh?
That's really amazing.
I can't wait for the kids to do this at home and let us know how they did.
Oh, yeah, I'd love to see their jars full of different colors.
It would even be
Wow.
cool to see their rainbow colored paintings.
Oh, yeah, I would love to see a rainbow colored paintings. I love paintings over rainbows.
Maybe we can even put this color jar on our main set and the kids can see it there too.
Ooh, that'd be really, really fun.
It would be.
Yeah,
So I think we learned a lot again in this episode, didn't we?
I learned so much.
Yep. Me
Yep.
too.
Good.
Well, kids, thanks for watching Dream Again. It's really been a joy with you and Olivia. It's always fun with you.
It's always fun with you too, Noah.
Cool.
Cool.
Well,
Good job.
thanks for watching Dream Again, and we will see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye! Don't forget, do some science at home.
Do some science.
Science!
Science.
Bye, kids!
Science.
Bye!
Rainbow. Rainbow science. Science of rainbows. Cool.
Cool, huh?
Yeah, it's really neat.
It's really neat.
Mhm.
Okay.
You did a good job.
We both did a really good job.
Yeah, we did good.
We did do good.
Mhm. Colors are fun.
We should put this on in our playroom.
I think we should too.
Let's keep it.
Yeah, let's keep it. Let's put a lid on it.
We'll put a lid on it.
Yeah.
And we should put a lid on us now too.
Oh,
I think we're done.
okay.
Okay.
Time to go.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!